Hello, welcome to Math Made Simple. In this session, we are going to solve this particular equation. First things first, let's simplify or write it in a simplified version. Remember, 8 is the same as 2 to power 3 into brackets x plus 1, close the bracket, minus 2, 3x minus 1 is equal to 120. Next, let's expand this particular section. You'll have 2 to power 3 times x, 3x plus 3 minus 2 to power 3x minus 1 is equal to 120. Remember the two principles of indices that states a to power m plus n is equal to a to power m multiplied by a to power n, also written as a to power m dot a to power n. Another important principle of indices that we are going to use is a to power m minus n is equal to a to power m divided by a to power n, or a to power m over a to power n. Now, in this particular section, we'll start with this first principle of indices, and we write as follows: 2 to power 3x plus 3 can as well be written as 2 to power 3x multiplied by 2 to power 3. What about this one? 2 to power 3x minus 1 is the same as 2 to power 3x divided by 2 to power 1, which can be written as 2 to power 3x over 2. 2 to power 3x multiplied by 2 to power 3 minus this sign here, 2 to power 3x over 2 is equal to 120. If you look keenly at this particular problem, you'll notice that you have 2 to power 3x here and 2 to power 3x here, which is common. So we assume, or let 2 to power 3x be equal to y. So what you have is y multiplied by 2 cubed minus y over 2 is equal to 120. 2 cubed is 8, so you have 8y minus y over 2 is equal to 120. Simplifying this one, you get the LCM is 2, so it's 2 divided by 1. 2 times 8y is 16. Y minus y over 2 is equal to 120. Simplifying further, 16y minus y, you are left with 15y over 2 is equal to 120. Multiply 2 on both sides, you are left with 15y is equal to 240. Divide both sides by 15. By 15, you're left with y is equal to 16. But remember that y is this, so you have 2 to power 3x is equal to 16, which can be written as 2 to power 4. You have base 2 on both sides, so you have 3x is equal to 4, implying that x is equal to 4 over 3, or 1 and a third as your answer.